One of the questions we get asked frequently is how to select your Outback Organic Strip Wax. And the truth is, the main difference is how they look on the skin and how they smell. All of the waxes are vegan and the base ingredients are all the same, meaning that they perform just as well as each other. Let me run through some of the aesthetic differences with the waxes. These waxes here, we have amber, true blue, gold, amethyst and jade. They all contain a natural mineral called mica, which gives the wax a little bit more of a solid sparkle. It makes it more visual on the skin. Opal and eucalyptus are more transparent. These will be your choice if you like to be able to see the hair through the wax. Let's talk aroma. At the beginning here we have our opal that has the Australian plum extracts in. Then we have our eucalyptus. Then on to the amber that has the beautiful sweet orange, and our true blue that has the notes of green tea and citrus. Onto the gold, which is aromaless, so there's no scent in this one if you want something free of aroma. And then amethyst, which has got our funky bubblegum aroma, and at the end our sweet essence of eucalyptus once again. As you can see, all of our waxes are available in pot and cartridge. If you've got any further inquiries on any of our products, please do not hesitate to contact our office.